Thank you, it's real money. Fortunately for me, these are running still for some reason, kind of, so I'm gonna wash off the brush, make sure there's no rocks in it so I can use it. Where's all the coins? I gotta be cheating here. Where did I put the other coin? Where's the other coin? You have to cheat. Where did I put it? Come on, somewhere in here. Forget it. I do not remember where I put my other token. Well, I'm slightly embarrassed. The whole time I was looking for something that didn't even exist. I looked back at the footage and I realized I only bought 4 tokens, not 5. Now I have to buy 2 more tokens. Just 2 more bucks to wash this car. $6 to wash my Jetta SportWagen. I think it's time to get some supplies from the store, minimize the use of this car wash, and just use the water and use everything else and do it manually. And I think it'll turn out much better. It'll cost more to purchase supplies right now, but eventually it'll pay off, and I think it'll also turn out way better and it'll be much more enjoyable. So that's what I learned today. Thanks for watching. I know watching someone wash their car isn't as fun as doing it yourself, but if you got to this part of the video, this is my thank you and heartfelt appreciation for bearing through all that.